This is episode 2 of Granny B. Today's episode is about if you stink, you need, and you know you stink, or if somebody tells you you stink, get some deodorant, cologne, smell good, something like that. Get it. You know you need it. So we're going to talk about that today. Okay. If you come by me, I smell you, you smell like onions, underarm, musk, anything, I'm going to let you have it. I'm going to tell you, you smell like underarms, musk, whatever, eggs, raw eggs. I'm making myself queasy right now, just talking about this. If you homeless and you smelling like that, go to a homeless shelter, take a bath or something. Then I know you got to find some change on the streets. Get a 50-cent pack with the odorant. It might not smell all too good, but at least it'll smell better than what you smell like now. Yeah. Let me tell you a story this time. I was off at my grandfather's house. This was like in 1974. At my grandfather's house. He was just before he died. A few years before he died. And he stunk. I let him have it. You know me, I let him have it. He stunk. I had to say something. He smelled like pee and farts. Shoot. I haven't smelled the worst old person in my life. God, that was the worst thing I've ever smelled in a while. Shoot. I haven't smelled something like that since my grandson Trayshawn farted in after he had a bean burrito. Oh, and that was nasty. Let me tell you something. Don't ever eat a bean burrito with onions in it. That's nasty. You're going to be farting up onions. It's going to be smell like an onion factory over here. Sour cream and onions. Ugh. The chips is good. It ain't good to be farting over. Ooh, maybe you want some. Hey, I should give me some spray right now. Goodness. Well, and Trayshawn came home last week. Said he was at the dance. He said, Grandma, there was some nasty booty smelling girls up in there. And some guys up in there. All smell like booty. Shoot. He said one section of the dance smelled like nasty feet. And one section was just hot. And hotness and nasty feet smell together. I would not recommend it. You would be sweating up a storm. You would be stinking. And if you think your breath stink, or somebody go like this, when you talk, go like this. You can smell your breath. You just blow on. You can tell if your breath stinks or not. Minty, hot, cold, nasty. Control your breath. Just control your breath, because I was once in 1925. I was talking to my college professor, and his breath was so hot. I mean, goodness. And we just want to jump up and scream. Toothpaste! Man, you can get deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, and spray on deodorant, and cologne. That's just $20. $20 on that. Or less. $20 to $10, and if you want some good cologne or something. Shoot. Well, I got 4 more minutes on the air. I might make it a little shorter. Ooh. Ooh. Keep this hair up. Ooh. Ooh. Good. Ooh. Ooh. What man do you for? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Okay, what should we talk about next? Somebody leave some comments or something so I can see what y'all think about everything. What y'all want me to, got some questions for me? Just tell me. Ask me some questions. I have an email address. You can go to grannyb24@hotmail.com. That is grannyb24@hotmail.com. GRANNYB24@HOTMAIL.com. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Whew, okay. Ooh. Made me feel nothing. All by myself. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let me tell y'all a little story before we get off the air. I got a minute and 50 seconds. Okay, I was at the grocery store. This man was helping me. I was asking him where his apples were, his Fuji apples. Okay, he went over there to get some. He smelled like onions because he hadn't had no deodorant on for so long. It smells like. He picked up that apple. I said, apples, not onions. That's how bad it smells. That's how. If you smell so bad that somebody mistakes apples for onions, that's not good. That is not good. Ooh, I got a minute left. Okay. Remember, that is not good. It's nasty. Ooh, I got a minute left. Okay. Okay. I got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay. This has been the Granny B Show. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Thank y'all.